To charge the battery on your electric Peugeot, check that the gear selector is on P and the motor switched off. Next, push on the back of the charging flap to open it. Ensure that there is no foreign matter on the vehicle's charge connector. Insert the Mode 3 charging cable connector into the EV charging socket. As soon as the battery starts charging, a green light inside the flap will start flashing. If that does not happen, charging has not commenced. Recommence the procedure and check that everything is correctly plugged in. With a Mode 3 charging cable on an 11 kilowatt charging station, charging time from 20 to 80% at a temperature of 20 degrees is 4 hours and 50 minutes. With a 200 kilowatt public rapid charging station, to which the cable is directly connected, charge time from 20 to 80% is 30 minutes. We recommend that you charge the battery to 80% of its capacity for daily use. Full charge is recommended for long journeys. When charging is complete, you will see a fixed intensity green light on the charging status indicator and inside the flap. When the charge connector is locked in, a fixed red light will come on beneath the lock inside the flap. To unplug the charge connector, unlock the car if it is locked. If your car is unlocked, lock it and then unlock it. If you are charging with a supercharger, you can unlock the charge connector by pressing this button.